Hello guys, Mr. ATC back to you again for another idea of housing. And actually, I wouldn't even say another idea of housing, but another idea of playing, because today we're gonna create a gigantic foosball game for human. And as you may know, in this type of project, we need to use a lot of wood. So in order to keep it very cheap and affordable for us and for you, if you decide to make it, for this project, we will be using some second-hand wood. As you may see me doing it here, the first step will be to create the frames. And note that the number of frames is really depending on the number of wood that you could afford or you could have. And for this project, we keep it at 15 cm in thickness and 1.20 m high. For this project, it was very funny to build while the people are passing by, because everyone was stopping and asking me, "Whoa, what are you gonna make today?" And note that this project was for a community event taking place in one neighborhood in Amsterdam, and every year they are celebrating good relation and good friendship in this neighborhood. And as you may know, this is the perfect opportunity to play and have some fun. For the big plank, we're gonna use some OSB board, also known as flake board. And as I told you at the beginning, this will keep it very cheap for you if you decide to make it for yourself or for your community. Alright, the first one is done, and this is how it looked like. And now, time to move to the other ones. And as you can see, this is a hell of a job. But it's fun. And when we are talking about community, you know that everyone is taking part of it. And here, two other friends from a design studio for one, and the other one from a photography studio are joining me in this event. If you want more information about them, I will be adding some links for you in the video description. Then time to finish assembling all the other boards. And this event was taking place in front of a metro station. So as you can imagine, a lot of people passing by, asking questions, and also helping sometimes. And those are all the planks, all the boards we've been able to make. Woo! Nice, huh? Alright, let's put them all into place. So the first thing we've decided to do here is to make it easy for us and create the different corners. And if you're making the same type of project, and it's also good learning for us in the future, I would advise you to place a number on each board so you know exactly where to place them. Then now we are attaching together the sides. Then here they are both attached and ready to be lifted up. But before that, we're gonna move to the other corners. And now, time to lift up both sides. First the right side, and attaching them here with simple screws. And I will advise you to be careful as the wood is not very strong. Then moving after that to the left side and repeating the same process.